Hi, this is Misbah, and you are watching Wisdom Dose. 1. Welcome to Element-6 Musculoskeletal Health. In this element, we'll focus on one of the most common causes of workplace ill health: problems with muscles, bones, joints, and connective tissues. These are known as musculoskeletal disorders, or MSDs. They affect millions of workers worldwide and can have a major impact on both productivity and quality of life. We'll look at the main causes of MSDs, how to assess the risks, and what can be done to prevent them. 2. Learning objectives. By the end of this element, you should be able to recognize the main types of musculoskeletal disorders and understand their causes. You'll be able to identify risk factors for MSDs in the workplace, apply practical control measures to reduce these risks, and appreciate the role of training and good ergonomic design in prevention. 3. What are musculoskeletal disorders, MSDs? Musculoskeletal disorders are injuries or conditions that affect the body's movement system, including muscles, joints, tendons, ligaments, and even nerves. Common examples include back pain, carpal tunnel syndrome, and tendinitis. Unlike sudden injuries, many MSDs develop gradually over time due to repeated strain or poor posture. That means prevention is especially important because once damage is done, recovery can be slow or incomplete. 4. Common causes of MSDs. The most common causes of MSDs include manual handling of heavy or awkward loads, which can strain the back, shoulders, or knees. Awkward or static postures, such as bending, twisting, or holding the same position for long periods, also place stress on the musculoskeletal system. Repetitive movements, like constant typing or assembly line work, can lead to overuse injuries. Finally, vibration exposure, especially from handheld tools, can contribute to musculoskeletal problems, as we saw in Element 5. 5. Manual handling risk assessment. A manual handling risk assessment looks at 4 key areas: the task, including the weight of the load, the distance it needs to be moved, and how often it's handled; the individual, considering the worker's capability, training, and any health issues; the load itself, its size, shape, and stability, as unstable or awkwardly shaped loads increase risk; and the environment, whether there's enough space to move, whether the floor is even, and whether lighting is adequate. 6. Manual handling controls. To control manual handling risks, first try to eliminate the need for lifting by using mechanical aids such as hoists, pallet trucks, or conveyors. If elimination isn't possible, reduce the load's weight or size. Teach workers to use good lifting posture and technique, for example, keeping the load close to the body and avoiding twisting. Finally, ensure training and supervision are in place so workers understand safe practices and apply them. 7. Display screen equipment, DSE risks. Display screen equipment, computers, laptops, tablets, can cause problems if not set up correctly. Poor posture at desks can lead to neck, shoulder, and back pain. Prolonged screen use without breaks can cause eye strain and headaches. Repetitive tasks, such as constant mouse use, can lead to repetitive strain injuries in the hands and wrists. These problems can often be prevented with proper workstation setup and regular breaks. 8. DSE controls. DSE risks can be reduced by providing adjustable chairs, screens, and other equipment so each worker can set up their workstation correctly. The keyboard and mouse should be positioned so the wrists are straight and the arms relaxed. Encourage workers to take regular short breaks or change tasks to rest the eyes and stretch the muscles. 9. Training and worker involvement. Training workers in correct techniques, whether for lifting loads or setting up a workstation, is vital. Encourage workers to report symptoms early, before they develop into serious injuries. Involving workers in the design of workstations and selection of tools ensures that solutions are practical and accepted. 10. Summary and exam tip. To summarize, musculoskeletal disorders are common but largely preventable. Always assess risks for manual handling and DSE tasks. Use elimination, mechanical aids, and ergonomic design wherever possible. In the exam, if you mention a hazard like heavy lifting, also give a specific control measure such as use a pallet truck. That's the end of Element 6. In Element 7, we'll move on to chemical and biological agents, looking at how substances and organisms can harm health and how to control those risks.